Pocket Watch. This is Challenge Battle Royale. Okay, so this is game 2. Vitaly won game 1. We have Jetta versus Vitaly. They're gonna play giant go fish. This is how the game works. You guys are gonna go fish, and the first person with 5 pairs of 2 will win. And the loser will get score her to head with Gerherb. And these are my friends, my sea creature friends, the only friends I ever have. So if you hurt them or touch them with your fishing pole, you're gonna get squirted. Let's play.
So I have 4 pairs already.
Wow.
Vitaly, do you have an 8?
I do not go fish. Either way.
There was not enough happening. You guys are too good at this. Now we're gonna go with 8 pairs. You need 8 pairs to win. Okay, Jetta, continue to fish for 4 more pairs. Ha 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 ha!
Nah, they're like baby.
That's a friend!
I didn't touch
You
it.
hit my friend!
Ah! It got in my mouth.
Jetta, I love you. I'm sorry, but I had to.
Okay, I just won a card. I just won. Thank you.
Yay! Jetta got a carp. The card. Do you have a 6?
He's shallow. Shallow is your rapid personality.
Ah! I caught 2! I caught 2!
Vitaly, so the rules are you have to put back one of the cards you just fished out.
Okay.
Just now.
Why are you making such an emphasis on it? That's an obvious thing.
Because, no, apparently not. Good.
My turn. I have a pair.
Yeah!
Huzzah! That is 5, which I would have won if we had played by the initial established rules. Oh, don't believe anything you hear. And anyone listening at home, nothing is real. Everything can change. Please don't. Oh, God. Oh, no.
No complaining.
Still my turn. Here we go. Vitaly, do you have an 8?
Yes, I do!
Thank you. Another pair.
No!
So I'm 6. I only need 2 more. Vitaly, do you have a 9?
Go fish!
Dang. Have it. I wish I could be the perfect. It didn't touch it. It didn't.
Sorry,
It
Jetta.
did not.
I'm so sorry.
Do you have a 3?
Go fish.
Okay.
Beyond the reef.
Where? Which one? I didn't touch one!
I got. No. I got backwash. Backer. Vitaly, do you have a 7?
Go fish!
I didn't touch it. Why
Much
did
as
I
you don't
ever
want
do
it.
that to anyone?
Good.
Do you have a 2?
Go fish.
Yes! 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 Ah!
Do you have a 5?
Go fish! No, just leave her alone! Don't do this to her!
You can't block.
Come on, please.
Come on.
Good.
Good boy. Good boy. Yes! We did it! I have a pair. I have a pair, Randy.
Thank
Good.
God.
Good.
Okay.
Good job. That's what I wanted for you.
That's 3. That's 3 already. Do you have a 6?
I don't have a 6. I'm sorry. Go fish.
I'm going deep. Yes! Come on, baby.
Oh.
Careful. Don't slip. Don't slip.
Oh, Vitaly, please.
Careful.
I think you hit my friend.
No!
You hit my friend. Maybe get that one that's by the octopus. Come on, little boy.
Come on, boy.
Oh, yeah!
We did it! We did it!
Ah!
Where?
Okay, I have a pair. This is my 7th pair, and it's a pair of 7s. Who would have thought? I need one more pair to win. Tally, do you have a 5?
No, Jetta, I don't.
Why don't you?
No!
Okay, come on.
Good. Slow.
If you fall, I will cry on you.
I'll do the net scoop.
I'll cry right on you.
Don't breathe.
There we go. Okay.
I got a pair. That makes 4 pairs. Jetta,
Yeah?
I'm sorry, but do you have the
Take
6
it!
that you are holding?
Just take it from me.
Okay. That's another pair. That's another
Good.
pair. That's another pair right there. Okay, Jetta, you have a 3.
I sure wish I did, but I don't. When will it
Yes,
end?
yes, yes,
When
yes,
will
yes,
the
yes.
end? Vitaly, do you have a 9?
Yes.
Oh, do you really? No. Why would you say that?
I wanted to so
No
bad.
lying. We need to be honest. We're already falling apart.
Are we sure this is edible? Because it's in my mouth already. Stop! She can't breathe anymore! No!
Wow. Good.
Yeah, babe! Whoa, did I hit you? Sorry.
No, I didn't. Okay, Vitaly, do you have a 4?
I wish. Wait, man. Oh, yes! You have a 4! I have a 4! Yeah! I have a 4!
Oh!
The madness has stopped!
Okay, well, it looks like Jetta won game 2. Yay, Jetta!
Yeah!
No, Vitaly.
The game's over! Yeah!
I wouldn't cheer if I were you, because you have to get sprayed down. Okay, guys, Vitaly won game 1, Jetta won game 2. Who do you want to win game 3? Let us know in the comments down below. Are you Team Vitaly? Are you Team Jetta? Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye!